Hey, stockings ripped out up the side. Oh, we got quiet. Bro, my fucking camera's. I'm trying to vlog, but my camera's so blurry. That's Kesha. Y'all, it's raining. Y'all, it's raining. They got us out here. They were supposed to let us in 10 minutes ago. The bus wheel is not working. No. It's horrible. I know, I hated it. Let's go. We up. Yes. Here are the vibes, y'all. They got a U-Haul. Look at these stairs. Y'all, we're walking down the walkway. Oh, so exciting. Yeah, it's just a hallway. Yeah, just an alleyway, but we're excited. I feel bad for my friends who got here early because they had to wait in here since like 4:45. There is nobody in here. It's like low-key dead right now, and there's no free drinks or free food. I feel clickbaited because at the last boiler room there was free everything. I guess OnCloud must have sponsored it. Fuck White Claw, why is there nothing here? But it might just be because Kesha's performing. I'm unsure, but I'll update you on how the vibes are. It should still be fun. It's still a free event, but like the wait was insane, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah. Y'all, we don't know whether to barricade or to get filmed since there's no one here right now, but we think we're gonna barricade. Cheer for me so I don't die. Anybody's first time at Boiler Room? Yeah. Well, welcome. Have a great time. Get sexy. Just remember that the sexiest thing is consent, and it's not only sexy, it's mandatory. That's it.
surpass spoiling?
Yes!
I don't think you're ready quite yet.
No!
We have such a fucking amazing lineup for you, and I'm so excited to bring our next DJ out. He's gonna get you even more warmed up, and then maybe we'll bring out Kesha. Yeah. We can bring out Kesha, I think, but first, can we make some noise all the way from New York? Give it up for Sunderland!
In the game of life.
Fuck that bitch, just fuck that hoe to the condom slip. Who the fuck y'all hosting? Run this shit, machine her black vagina.
This song's called Boy Crazy.
detonation. Crazy girl shit, gonna go spring breakers. Every time I make it so outrageous, always gonna listen to my brain is faceless.
4, 3, 2, 1, see you later. Crazy girl shit, gonna go spring breakers. Gonna go spring breakers. Gonna go spring breakers. Ooh, these bitches retard. Art is not a competition. We go up when the colors come off, but a real bitch comes when the dick goes up next. Ooh, these bitches rip off. Wish they were the OGs, they not. We going psycho, we blow it up. Got me and Charlie with the party girl gun. So baby, we're bad. Baby, we're good. That's my thing, cause I'm at the bitch. Never learned it. Singing my song, singing along. TikTok bitch till the kingdom come. Giving me a hit, thinking your shit. Suck my name when you suck on my dick. Bounce on the shit. 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 No.
I don't see any nipples tonight. Just tip the tip out. You better work it. I can't hear you.
Sit martinis, look hot in a bikini. You better work them fingers to the sky. Now they don't believe.
Underwear, you wanna know what I got going on down? See through. Is it showing off my brand new lower back tattoo? You wanna put them in your mouth, wear them all down south. You wanna turn the shit out, that's what I'm talking about. Put them in your mouth.
He's with it.
I haven't moved all night. You guys been pushing me, so maybe try not to move. Yeah. You don't have to do that. Yes, I know. So shut up about the elbowing then. You stop pushing me. Yeah, I'm not elbowing. I have your elbow there. Yes, because you pushed your weight in front of me. Yes, you did. You can believe what you want, but...
Thanks for coming to my party.
Miami, make some fucking noise for Kesha! Miami. Did you boil in the boiler room?